Hey, what's up tech fam? This is your middle-aged guy AJ, and today we will be checking out a compact but powerful device. This is the Fifine AmpliGame SC3 audio mixer. If you're a gamer, podcaster, streamer, or even someone just looking for better mic control, this might be the upgrade that you are looking for. Let's start off of what we get inside the box of the SC3 audio mixer. Inside, you will see a manual and the SC3 itself, which is very lightweight and compact and will fit any setup. And as you can see, we have two colors for this device. We have the white color and we have the black color that I have already set up right over here. We also have a USB-C to USB-A cable and a 3.5mm cable jack as well. So let's set this aside and take a closer look of the SC3 audio mixer. The setup for this device is actually pretty simple. It's actually plug and play, and as you can see on the ports that we have at the back, if we can have a close-up of this, we have the USB-C that you can connect to your PC directly. You have your line out, you have your microphone, you have your line in, you have your headset input, and you have your XLR input as well. And you also have a toggle switch right here where you can choose the type of microphone that you're using, either dynamic or condenser. And if you're using condenser microphone, you actually have a 48 volt phantom power that you can use in order to boost the gains of your condenser microphone. And besides the normal inputs that you have for each of your line ins and line outs, you have easy control for the mute buttons for each of it as well. And you also have a built-in voice changer with 6 different types of voices that you can use here in the SC3. And I'll give you an example right now.
So right now we are currently using one of the voice changers that we have. This is the baby voice changer. I don't think it sounds creepy at all. I'm not sure. Drop it down in the comment section below.
And this is one of the voice changers as well. This is the elder voice changer in this SC3. So what do you think about the voice changer quality for this device that we have right here? And all of this is built in. You don't even need to program it.
And besides those, you can even record 4 different kinds of sound effects that you can use on the fly when you're podcasting or even when you're streaming or even just recording like here that we have right now. So I'll give you an example of one of the recordings that I did for our sound effects.
One eternity later.
See how easy it is? One quick reminder that if you're both using the headset in and the XLR in, the SC3 will actually prioritize the headset, like what is happening right now over here, where I am using my newer CM28 in the headset in for the SC3. And even though my mic is actually very far away, it's actually using the CM28 as the input for my mic and not using the microphone here. So if I wanted to use the microphone that I have over here, I need to remove my CM28. Give me a moment. And now if I remove that, you will not be able to hear any sounds or very small sounds because it will be catching up over here in the mic. If I move this closer to my mouth, this will be the one that's picking up the sounds actually for our input in our sound right here in the SC3 audio mixer. So if you are a podcaster, a gamer, or recording yourself, or a content creator, or even just someone who wants to have that simple controls and beginner-friendly setup on upgrading your audio levels in your content or in your streaming, well, I think that the SC3 is something that you should take into consideration. So finally, some of the standout features of this SC3 audio mixer is actually, it's very beginner-friendly and you don't even have to use any software in order to start using this. And it also has real-time monitoring for the headphones. So if you want to hear your sounds during your podcast or your streaming or even in your recording, you will be able to do so when you put in your headphones over here. You have your easy controls when it comes to gains for each of your inputs and outputs, and also an easy mute button for each and every one of those. And it's also fun to use the voice changer and to be able to record different types of sound effects that you can use on the fly. So if you're looking to upgrade your audio setup without spending hundreds of dollars, the Fifine AmpliGame SC3 audio mixer is definitely something to check out, even if you're using Windows or Mac And as I said, it's very beginner friendly and you don't even need a software to be able to use this device. It's compact, it's sleek, and it comes in two colors, the white color and the black color. So depending on your setup, you can choose either the white or the black color to complement your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Middle Aged Guy by clicking the button right over here, and watch more of our videos right over here and here for more beginner-friendly tech reviews, tips and tricks, and content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!